Well, changes in the air for the Northwest as we're transitioning in our seasons is definitely very evident, especially if you're in Colorado and Wyoming, including Montana. The Kelsey fire, though, in Oregon continuing to blaze. A reminder that wildfires are still very much in progress, even though the season is starting to end. But we do still have numerous active large wildfires in the Northwest that continue to be battled. Now, we are looking at generally dry conditions, but not hot, as we're tracking some fall air in place, only into the 50s for Jackson and Casper, 60s for Montana. We do have this ridge of high pressure that's going to keep the region fairly dry for now, but there is a Pacific storm system that's lurking in the Gulf of Alaska. Eventually, a cold front will be coming out of that, sweeping across the northwestern tier later in the week. But it stays offshore for now, which means we have a very limited opportunity for rain. The majority of the region should be rain-free. Not a whole lot going on for the Pacific Northwest and Idaho, looking quiet. We are looking at maybe a couple of stray showers eventually feeding into areas like Wyoming later in the week, but as you can see, a very quiet scenario throughout the region. Now, we do have some freezing temperatures to talk about, though. Take a look at Jackson. Overnight lows down to 29, near freezing in Casper. Otherwise, lows down into the 40s and 50s. And here's a look at our Wednesday afternoon. We'll be peaking in the 60s and 70s, beginning to feel the warmth building as that ridge strengthens across the Pacific Northwest, Medford pushing up to 90.